It is believed that his killers were in the congregation that night. They followed him in his drive of Waldemir Krostowski as they began their trip back to Warsaw. They kept their distance for about an hour. Then his father Jerzy and his driver approached an isolated stretch of road. They overtook them and stopped them. They wore police uniforms and stopped the car under the pretense of checking them out. They took the driver out of the car, handcuffed and gagged him, and put him in the murderer's car.
Then they made Father Jerzy get out of the car. They immediately began to beat him. They beat him unconscious and threw him in the trunk of their car. They drove at breakneck speed. Father Jerzy's driver took a chance at a turn in the road to jump out of the car. He rolled down a hill and was saved. The killers continued driving to a predetermined destination.
At given times, Father Jerzy regained consciousness and tried to get out of the trunk of the car. He kicked and yelled. They stopped the car, beat him some more, gagged him, and tied his neck to the back of his feet so that as he moved, he choked himself. Then they continued to torture him until they came to a bridge of the river Vistula, about halfway to Warsaw. They tied huge stones to the body of Father Jerzy around his neck, around both feet, and around his hands. They threw him off the bridge into the river.